Hey guys, in this session we are going to see what is map collection, how to create map and what are the useful methods of map, how map is different from an object. Let's start. So generally if you'd like to have a collection in JavaScript, you use the object. So here we have the person object with the keys name and age and values Jan and 24. Let us see how to create the same thing using the map. Let person map equal to new map, and the map constructor takes 0 parameters and also it takes iterable. To add the key and value, you can use the method called set. So person map dot set, you use the name is the key and John is the value. Same way let us set the age to. So let's print both object and map. The first one is the object where you have the name and age, and the second one is the map. So by seeing that, you can say that map is a collection of key value pairs, and also map remembers the insertion order of the keys. Here you can see that you have the index 0 and 1. At the index 0 we have the name, key and value. The same way at the index 1 we have the age and 24, whereas object doesn't maintain that indexing. So by this we can say that map is having the characteristics of both object and array. So like object it contains the key and value, and like array it is having the index. And another important thing, in map you can have key of any type unlike in object. So here I can have like this person map dot set. I can have the boolean type as key and I can have the value he is male. Not just the primitive types, you can have the reference types also. Like we can just say let obj equal to text, and you can use this object as a key. Here person map dot set obj, I'm just giving value text. Let's print this. You can have map of size 4, so it is having the total 4 elements. The fourth key at the index 3, and you can see key as a object and value as a just text value. Now let us see how to get the length of the keys in the map. Console.log person map dot size 4. So now let us see another ways of creating the map. You can create the map by passing the iterable to the map constructor. Let map 2 equal to new map, and here as I said you can pass the iterables. So you can pass the first key value pair here, name comma not the colon Krish, and same way you can refer another one, age 34. Save it and let's print that. Console.log map 2. Now we have the map with 2 entries. Name is the key here and the second one is age. We can also create the map from the object. So for that let us define one object. Let course Java script channel Codewell tech. Let us create the course map. Let course map equal to new map, and here you can use the method called object dot entries, and here you can pass our course. Save it, course. So here we have the course map, and you can see that at the 0 index you have the key, course and value JavaScript, same way channel and Codewell tech. The map is having some good number of helper methods. Let's see them. To set the key and value we use the set method. Let us see how to access the value from the map. So for that you can just use the method called get. Console.log person map dot get, and here you can pass the key. So let's say I pass the key name and we are going to get the value John. Let me comment all these. In the same way you can just pass the true also. So we have the key called true, so if you pass true we get the value that he is male. If you want to delete a key from the map you can use the method called delete. So you can just simply say person map dot delete and you can pass the key. Say I say I pass true and it will delete it, and if we just go and type now person map dot person, now we can see that we have only 3 values and the key with the value true is deleted. To get all the keys of map you can use the method called keys. So console.log person map dot keys, it will give us all the keys of map. You can see name, age and object, and also you can observe that it is map iterator. Same way you can use the method called values to get all the values of the map. Now here again it returns the map iterator and you have all the values. To iterate through the keys and values, you can use the for of. So for constant key of person map dot keys and just print console.log. Now we have all the keys, name, age and object. In the same way you can use the values. John 24 and test. So also you can use the method called entries to get the key and values at the same time. And this entries returns the iterable iterator and it returns the key and value. So key comma value, and now we can just simply you can say now key is and value. So key is name and value John, key is age and value is 24. Like this you can just access the key and value using the entries. If you'd like to clear all the entries from the map, you can use the method called clear. So you can say person map dot clear, and after that let us print the person map console.log person map. You can see that map 0, so it is just cleared it, and you can see that map size of 0. Before clearing, let us discuss about another important method, that is has. To check whether particular key is existing or not in map, you can use the method called has. Let's say here console.log person map dot has. So I'm checking age. So if it is there, it just print the value true, and if it is not there, it just say false. Let's say location. You can see that value is false. This is about map collection. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive all the updates.